alam na I'm in a group, right?
Oo naman,
So,
be!
yeah, thank you at alam niyo. So, meron pa kami mga upcoming shows outside the country.
Sige, be.
So, SB19 will be
Hindi pa
having
daw
a world
ako
tour and meron pa kami Oceania and New Zealand yet. So, if you're interested to watch one of our shows, one of our stops, you can visit SB19 official or official SB19.
Sorry na,
And you
umuulan
can buy
kasi
tickets
sa
kung saan po malapit. So, kasi balita ko, may mga international fans na pumunta here. Meron ba? Meron? Magiging nga yung mga lumuwas pa ng ibang bansa to watch yung player. International fans, make some noise! Kasi, speaking of tour, kasi yung grabe yung tour, and of course, yung SB19. Pero alam niyo ba, na yung next song ko, for my last song, itong song na to, na-tour ko na rin to. And I'm very thankful sa Warner Family na nalaman na ako i-tour. Ang room talaga, sobrang memorable, sobrang happy yung experience, sobrang life-changing as a solo artist. I discovered a lot of things about myself because of this tour, and of course, I'm very happy and thank you. Sobrang mahal naman sila. Kaya naman, for my last song tonight,
What do you mean,
very
last song? Yun yan, yun.
excited to perform this song. So, are you guys ready?
Yes!
How are you ready? Are you guys ready? Let's do it! If you feel sexy tonight, you can dance with me. Okay? So, kung kanina ay nagbalag ako, ngayon naman, ngayon natin painitin yung bebe.
Sige, Stel!
Are you guys ready? One more time!